Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to spot for deep dives on the best products out there. Today, we're taking a closer look at what we're calling the best steel tongue drum with mallets available right now. The 12-inch, 13-note D major steel tongue drum by Wetpuorek. This instrument is more than just a drum. It's a soulful blend of craftsmanship, clarity, and calming tones, wrapped in a portable and durable design. Right out of the box, it makes a powerful first impression. The drum itself is crafted from high-quality synthetic alloy steel, which isn't just for durability. This particular alloy has been carefully selected and hand-finished by artisans to ensure the drum not only looks polished and professional, but also stays rust-resistant, odor-free, and vibrant in color over time. But let's get into what really matters, the sound. When you strike the notes with the included mallets or finger pads, you're met with a soft, ethereal resonance. It's designed in the D major scale, with 13 clearly tuned notes, offering a wide melodic range. Whether you're a beginner just playing by intuition, or someone following along with the included music book, you'll find that the sound is warm, meditative, and deeply relaxing. It's almost like the drum is guiding you into a meditative state with each note you play. What makes this instrument stand out is how beginner-friendly it is. Even if you've never played an instrument before, the intuitive note layout and accurate tuning mean that beautiful melodies come naturally. The set includes everything you need to get started: 2 drumsticks with a holder, a well-padded carrying bag, 4 finger pads, spare note stickers, an English instruction book with songs, and a silver grease pencil so you can remark any worn numbers on the drum surface. Every detail is thought through to keep the learning curve low and the creative ceiling high. Now let's talk versatility. This drum isn't just for solo play or musical exploration. It's actually great for therapy sessions, sound healing, yoga, and even rain performances. Yes, that's right. Its steel surface responds beautifully to the natural resonance of rainfall. When rain hits the drum, it creates a natural symphony, transforming a stormy afternoon into a tranquil, immersive experience. What also makes the Wetpuorek tongue drum stand out is its portability. The included tote bag makes it super easy to carry to classes, performances, outdoor gatherings, or your favorite quiet spot in nature. And the robust build quality ensures it's ready for travel, while still maintaining tone quality and appearance. If you're a music educator, a yoga instructor, a sound healer, or just someone looking to bring a little more peace into your daily routine, this instrument is an excellent fit. It's simple enough for kids to enjoy, yet expressive enough for adults to get truly creative. Whether you're jamming, meditating, or just relaxing at the end of a long day, this drum meets you where you are. The Wetpuorek 12-inch 13-note steel tongue drum is a perfect blend of form and function. With its rich tonal quality, premium construction, and all-inclusive package, it's a no-brainer for anyone looking to invest in a high-quality steel tongue drum without breaking the bank. It looks great, sounds even better, and it's accessible to absolutely everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next product deep dive. This is Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next one.